Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel RT8 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings icon, which should be in this upper panel. Now let's tap on Add Keyboard. We will be defaultly on the languages, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards. Of course, you can scroll and find it, or just tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply, and tap on it. After that, we will be transferred to this section where we can choose the keyboard layout, and the amount of them depends on the language. So sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard types. So just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. But before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So the thing is that here we've got a new icon, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language, change the layout, just by tapping on it. So as you can see, I can easily switch through the Urdu one and the English. And another difference is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, and it is extremely useful, especially if we've got the languages which layouts are pretty similar to each other. Alright, so right now all we have to do is to remove the previous language or remove the language. So let's enter the settings again, and here in this list all we have to do is to tap on this edit icon. Now we can mark the language we want to remove, and I will remove this one and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.